Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. I made this video for people who will use their French for when they go on holiday. And one of the situations you might find yourself in is at the hotel when you need to book, discuss a booking or report a problem. You'd expect most of the time for the staff to speak English. They will for the most part. If you go to a large city, they will. But if you go to the countryside, they won't necessarily, so you might have to manage yourself. First of all, let's have a look at the useful vocab that you might need for this lesson. Une chambre, which is a room. Une chambre libre is a vacancy. So this is how to ask, do you have any vacancies? It's vous avez une chambre libre. Une nuit, one night. Réserver is to book, so obviously une réservation is a booking. Au premier étage, on the first floor. Remember, étage is floor. Un ascenseur, a lift. Remember, it ascends, so that's how you remember. Un escalier, the stairs. La clé, the key. And when you want to say something doesn't work, you say ça ne marche pas. It doesn't walk in French. It always makes people laugh that it's funny. Ne marche pas, doesn't work. Now let's have a look at the sort of thing you need to know if you're asking for a room and the sort of thing they might reply. Standard question. Vous avez une chambre libre pour 2 personnes pour ce soir? Do you have a room free for 2 people for tonight? Or basically, do you have a vacancy for 2 people for tonight? They might say, oui, il en reste une. Elle fait 100 € la nuit. Yes, there is one left at 100 € per night. Notice the structure, il en reste une. You've got the en there, which means of them, so really we say there is one of them left. Of course, you might ask, le petit déjeuner est compris? Is breakfast included? Usually, it's non, il est en plus. Il fait 10 € par personne. No, it's extra. It's 10 € per person. If you have already booked, all you need to say is j'ai réservé une chambre au nom de Jones. I have a booking under the name Jones. And then the person might have a chat with you and then they go, voilà votre clé. C'est la chambre numéro 615 au 6e étage. L'ascenseur est sur votre gauche. So voilà votre clé, here's your key. C'est la chambre numéro 615. It's room number 615 au 6e étage, on the 6th floor. L'ascenseur est sur votre gauche. The lift is on your left. Then you might ask, le petit déjeuner est à quelle heure? What time's breakfast? Now let's see what happens if there's problems with your room. Usually it's one of 4 things. First one, la télé ne marche pas. The TV is not working, or doesn't work, or doesn't walk as we say in French. Or you could have a case where les serviettes ne sont pas propres. The towels aren't clean. It happens. Or il n'y a pas d'eau chaude au robinet. There is no hot water on the tap. What could happen is an insect problem. Il y a un cafard dans la salle de bain. There is a cockroach in the bathroom. It's a bit exaggerated, but it may happen, you never know. So you need to have the vocab for it. I hope this video was useful for you. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.